Oh, hello everybody. Happy spring 2024. It's now officially spring. The season should be now officially commencing. Just thought I'll do a quick ride out to do a little bit of testing on the setup. I had numerous issues. The channel's got a few videos already, and as you may have noticed if you've seen any of the videos, been struggling with the audio setup for quite a while now. So we're now running external mics. Hopefully that sorts the problem out. And we're recording on the DJI Action 3 there and a DJI Action 4 here. Mixed opinions on action cams. GoPro is definitely not what it used to be. Insta, they've taken the world by storm, but I'm not convinced, to be honest. It's quite gimmicky and probably a bit hype. And DJI, I've used some of their drones in the past. Quite happy with the quality of their products, so here we are. We're running DJIs. Mic-wise, we're running Ulanzis, because even though DJI makes great products, I can't justify spending 200 odd quid on wireless microphones, not when I think I've paid about 68 quid for the Ulanzis, which, yeah, that's quite a bit lower. So fingers crossed this actually works properly now, and there's no clipping, there's no horrible wind noise. So that's one of the reasons why we're recording this video today. The other reason is, what is this channel about? What am I trying to do here? Hi mate. Oh, that sounded raspy. Share experiences. To sum it all up, sharing experiences. I'm fairly new to the adventure bike segment. I'm running a Honda Africa Twin CRF 1100L, so the adventure spec non-electronic suspension. It's a late 2020 model. I had it for about a year after around 6,000 odd miles on it in the year I had it. I absolutely love this thing. Love it a bit. Probably the bike that I've fell in love with the quickest, and the one that I've loved the most out of the bikes I had so far. Deciding what bike to buy was a 7-month long process. Got rid of my naked bike in October 22, I think, and didn't buy this one till end of Feb last year. So I had this a year. I'm chuffed, absolutely chuffed by it. What do I mean about with sharing experience? What am I trying to say when I'm saying sharing experiences? I'm new to camping, motorcycle camping. I'm new to the whole adventure bike segment, putting on big miles. I've done a solo tour last year. That was my first tour as well. Absolutely loved it. So the plan is to keep at it. You know, keep at it this year, keep at it. Do another European tour, maybe go to Scotland, go to Wales, do a few more camping trips around the UK. Everything's going to be placed around camping. I'm not saying that I'm not going to spend any time in a B&B or anything like that, or a hotel every now and then, but my intention is show everyone that it doesn't take much to do stuff that you enjoy. I don't know what I was thinking. It came in a bit odd approaching that corner. Yeah, it was really chucking it down this morning. It's cleared up really nice by the looks of things. And I'm not going to complain about that. the idea would be to stop, uh, show you around what I call the big fella. Why do I call it the big fella? Because I've got a young one, and because Bingo and Bluey, Bluey actually is the name of cartoons, is highly watched in our house, and Bingo and Bluey's dad is called Bandit, but they often refer to him as the big fella. So that kind of stuck in my head. So there you go. I just call it the big fella. It must be high tide. So that means the place I was thinking to stop at might be kind of submerged. Which is so, the big fella. 2020 Africa Twin Adventure Sports. Non-electronic suspension. I just love this thing. Absolutely love this thing. Had it about 12 months, and I cannot fault it. Part of that fairly rusty chain that needs a bit of love. It's been sat in the garage for quite a bit, not seen much use this winter. Only thing I've done so far, most obvious, heat crash bars. Don't complain about these, about the fitment of them. I'm not going to get issues. To be honest, they're fitting quite okay. Came in very quickly. Holland. I think they were about 280 quid plus tax. Obviously, no longer in the EU here in the UK. So that is the big fella. Got the side cases, got the rack for it. Haven't got the top box. Also haven't got whatever these things are called, the little plugs. So I've just improvised to put those in. These horrible looking things that I need to tidy up a bit are from a Rhino Walk bag, I think. They use G-hooks to clip onto it. Running the Metzler Cruise Street, I believe these are stock tires, factory fitted, all the Africa Twin. So I think I might go with something very similar, or if not quite the same, judging by the fact that they are really good for high mileage. The only other thing is this cheapo little thing, because I'm tight and I'm not going to pay 70 quid or however much Lone Rider or whatever the name is charge for theirs. Other than that, nothing really special. There's plenty of reviews and technical specifications around these sort of bikes on the internet, obviously on YouTube, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's a big fella. That's what I enjoy spending my days on.